Yo, was geht up? This is Phil, and in this video, my friends, I'm gonna talk about how to never ever run out of things to say when you're talking to hot girls.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that.
Yeah, so I can remember myself when I was really low self-esteem and I didn't know how to talk to girls. I would always think about what am I going to say. I did not have any structure. I did not know what to say. The conversations were very boring and platonic, and that's why, my friends, in this video I'm going to give you everything, that you never run out of things to say, that you will always know what to say, and you will always know what not to say, what to say, and when to say something. Yo, also consider to hit like and subscribe to this channel now and stay till the end of the video, because I will give you 3 practical tips what you can do if you run out of things to say. Yo, so I want to start with my first point, which is it's not about what you say, it's about how you say it. What is your body language like? Are you speaking with conviction? Are you actually believing in what you're saying? And how is your tonality? How is your body language? If you're saying something in a really weak manner, it's like something totally different. If you speak with conviction, if you speak like someone that is confident, and if you speak like someone that is really knowing what he's talking about. So, for example, you can insult someone if the tonality is like really negative, but it's also kind of funny. For example, if you're insulting your friends, then it will be like in a really lighthearted and positive manner. So this is actually one of the things that is really important, that you take care how you say it, not what you say it. Just for your mindset, that you don't care if you run out of things to say. I also made a video, I'll tag it in the video somewhere, 3 things to say if you don't know what to say. Yes, and my second point, my friends, is an actual principle from sales. So most guys, when they go up and talk to someone, especially when they go up and talk to a pretty woman, they're always preoccupied with what shall I say, what shall I do? And they actually fuck it up before they even go up and talk to someone. Because human beings are actually really selfish people and they think more. Hello, my friends. And human beings are actually really selfish people, so they actually care about themselves and not about you. So shut up and listen more. Let the girl talk till she's finished her sentence, and then ask questions about what she was actually telling you, or talk in statements about what she was actually telling you, and then your conversations will also be a lot better. So shut up and listen more. Yes, gentlemen, also think about your mindset, because the mindset of I don't know what to say is basically communicating to yourself, I'm boring, I don't know what to say, and I'm a total loser. So just change your mindset. Do not take yourself too seriously. Have a playful vibe, have a playful energy when you're going up to someone, and then just free flow and talk without filters and actually say what you want to say. And then see how she reacts, see how the people react to your communications, and drop the filters. Yes, gentlemen, and now in the end of the video, I want to give you 3 techniques on how you can improve your verbal game, how you can improve how you stop running out of things to say. So number 1 is the actual vacuum. So basically the girl is talking to you and you're just looking at her and you smile at her and you're just waiting until she is starting the conversation again. So she's basically ending the conversation, she finished her sentence, and you just smile at her, shut up and wait how she responds, or if she asks a question or continues. Then the second one is if your head is like blank and you don't know what to say, then the second technique that you can do is that you just repeat the sentence she said the last time. So when she said, for example, yeah, I'm living in Budapest and I'm studying here, then you just repeat what she just said. So you say, yeah, you're living in Budapest and you're studying here. And yeah, that's a fucking nice car as well. That's a Ferrari, my friend. I'm gonna buy one of those for sure. Awesome. Yeah, so the third thing that you can do is, if the conversation with a girl is actually getting boring, then you just change topics. You just change topics. and then whatever, if you've been talking about her studying or you're studying or whatever, then just change topics when you don't know what to say, and that's how you always have the frame that you will know what to say. Yo gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments what you think about this video and if you have any questions.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplify deep inside once I